Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make banner for YouTube channel on Canva. For example, you can see a banner that I have created and uploaded on my YouTube channel right here. You can see that it is neat. It also shows all of the necessary details. Compared to a lot of time when you upload a banner after creating it on YouTube, this is how it looks. The picture is not showing fully, and also all of the banner information is not showing, even though you entered or you created it on the recommended size. So I'll be showing you how to do this. The first thing you want to do once on YouTube, you want to go onto your profile page. So once you're on your channel page, as you can see right here, you can tap on edit right in line with the banner, and it is going to redirect you to your YouTube studio. And you can see the recommended size is 2048 by 1152. But what I would recommend you do is, once on Canva, you tap on the search bar at the top of the page and type in YouTube banner. After you have done that, you can tap on see all, and you can see that we are provided with numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can select whichever one of these templates is to your liking. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that says Pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. The template that I had used earlier that you had seen in the example was one of these free templates. Now let's say for example's sake, I were to use this template. Just for example's sake, we'll select this template. After selecting the template, you're going to tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, I would recommend that you add all of the necessary information that you would like to be displayed on your YouTube banner in this line right here. So you can not worry about the section around it, as majority of the time that will not show on most devices. So for example, we could change the name right here. So we could change this to, for example, test banner. I'm just going to be calling it. Then we could change the image by going over to the left hand menu option. You could tap on uploads, and from there you could upload an image and then drag and replace the current image that is there. After doing this, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download, and you're going to select download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go back into YouTube, then you're going to tap on change, and you're going to select the banner that you have created, and you're going to tap on open. After you have done that, you can see right there, just like what I was saying earlier, majority of the information around it may not be showing. It will only be visible on TV, as you can see right there, and you can see what will be viewable on desktop. So this will be viewable on desktop, and this will be viewable on all devices. So for example, if someone were to visit your channel on their mobile device, this is the information that they'll be seeing. So you're going to tap on done. After you have tapped on done, you'll tap on publish. Then once you have published it, if we were to tap on view channel, you can see how it looks on my laptop right here. So this is it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.